I can eat fast if I have a water and you just give me a water, you won't even know what happens. I'll be like, but it's like for the pizza. And it's like, oh, you can't blow on it, you can't put it out with the water because the water, and if you just blow on it, you just go like, then it comes back and it's just like that. And then, oh, look at this thing, freaking rusted. Nobody freaking likes you. I don't even know what to do with the world anymore. I don't even want to live on this planet. My pizza. It's called a fucking microwave. Who puts a fucking Reese's in water? Ruined. Perfectly good Reese's ruined. Top of the world. The world suddenly just got cooler. What? Wait, does that turn on? That'd be so much cooler.